Today I am reviewing the Glerc 24-inch beach cruiser bike. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a fun, stylish, and reliable bike for girls and youth, the Glerc 24-inch beach cruiser bike is an excellent choice. This bike isn't just about looks. It combines practical performance with charming design to make cycling enjoyable and safe for children and teens. First, let's talk about performance. This cruiser comes equipped with a Shimano 6-speed gear system, allowing riders to easily tackle different terrains, from smooth city streets to slight inclines. The high-carbon steel frame ensures durability while remaining lightweight enough for young riders to handle comfortably. Whether your child is commuting to school, enjoying a neighborhood ride, or cruising around the park, this bike adapts to a variety of scenarios effortlessly. Safety is a key focus on this model. The Glerc cruiser comes with aluminum front and rear V-brakes, providing reliable stopping power when needed. The short travel brake grips are designed for beginners, making it easy for children to control their speed and gain confidence as they learn to ride. Parents can feel secure knowing that their child can brake smoothly and safely. A standout feature of this bike is its design and aesthetics. With a retro-inspired wicker basket and a brown synthetic leather saddle, the bike has a unique and stylish look that kids will love. The pink color adds a fun and playful touch, making this not only a practical mode of transport, but also a bike that kids feel proud to ride. The basket is perfect for carrying small items, whether it's toys, snacks, or a water bottle, making it convenient for short trips or leisure rides. The Glerc 24-inch bike is sized thoughtfully for youth riders. It's suitable for children aged 8 to 15 years, standing 51 to 65 inches tall, with an inseam height of 22 to 30 inches. Weighing just 32 pounds, it strikes a balance between sturdiness and manageability, ensuring that younger riders can handle it without strain. Assembly is straightforward and quick. The bike arrives 85% pre-assembled, and with the included tools and step-by-step video instructions, most users can have it ready to ride in about 25 minutes. This means less waiting and more time for your child to enjoy their new bike. Overall, the Glerc 24-inch beach cruiser bike is a high-performance, safe, and stylish choice for girls and youth. With its combination of durable construction, Shimano gears, reliable brakes, and charming design, it's perfect for both beginners and more experienced young riders. Whether for leisure, exercise, or short-distance travel, this bike provides a fun, comfortable, and safe riding experience that kids will love.